In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom search folder in Microsoft Outlook. This is a really handy feature that can help you stay organized and make it easier to find important emails in a snap. Whether you're dealing with a cluttered inbox or just want to streamline your email workflow, these instructions will guide you through the process with ease. Let's get started by heading over to your Microsoft Outlook. Once you've opened Outlook, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. As you navigate through the familiar landscape of your email, locate the section labeled Search Folders. This is typically found around the middle area of your left navigation pane, nestled among your various folder options. Now this is where the magic begins. Click on Search Folders to expand its menu. You'll notice an option labeled New Search Folder. Go ahead and click on that. As a result, you'll be presented with a number of customizable options for setting up your search folder. This part is crucial because it allows you to tailor the search folder according to your specific needs. Whether you want to consolidate emails from a specific person, keep track of flagged items, or perhaps gather all unread emails in one place, you have the flexibility to choose from these options. Once you've selected the type of search folder you want, it's important to hit OK to confirm your selection. This step solidifies the creation of your new search folder, allowing it to function seamlessly as part of your Outlook setup. Now your custom search folder will appear alongside your existing folders, ready to assist you in managing your emails more efficiently. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully created a new search folder that will serve as a powerful tool in your email organization arsenal. Whenever you need to quickly access specific types of emails, just head over to this newly created folder and you'll find everything you need conveniently grouped together. This process is designed to be a seamless integration into your daily email routine, saving you precious time and reducing the stress of navigating through an overflowing inbox. Custom search folders are a game changer for anyone who manages a high volume of emails, offering a simple yet effective way to keep everything in order. So there you have it, a straightforward way to enhance your Microsoft Outlook experience and take control of your email like never before. With this skill under your belt, you'll find yourself navigating through emails with increased ease and efficiency. Thanks for following along and stay tuned for more tips on getting the most out of your digital tools.